As I start this trig question, I'm nervous about where it's going. There's so many different things we can do. But because the answer wants some cos 2 thetas in it, I can see them there. They're going to be useful. And also, I think that isn't that there exactly the same as cos 2 theta as well? That's the formula for cos 2 theta, isn't it? One of those ones. So let's try and leave those there and see what we can do with the other things. So 1 plus tan squared, that's the same as sec squared theta. This bit here is some cos 2 thetas. And then what should we do with this? So we've got 3. What's now tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. And then we've got another cos theta on the bottom. So let's put that there as a cos squared on the bottom there. Let's see how that looks. I think we'll continue with this side over here. I think if I put that as 2 cos squared theta plus 3 sine theta all over cos squared theta, I think that's helpful. Now I think that's helpful because of course this sec squared theta here is an over cos squared theta. So I'm going to times both sides by cos squared theta and they're just all going to disappear. Right, what should we do now? Let's put it all over on the right hand side. Let's put it all over on the left hand side. So I've got 0 equals cos 2 theta. This is me just writing this bit here out. 2 cos squared theta plus 3 sine theta. And then I'm going to take away that one there, minus 3. I think I've got that there. I'm close. That we don't want a cos squared, we want a 1 minus sine squared. Oh, I might have put it on the wrong side actually. 1 minus sine squared theta plus 3 sine theta minus 3. So I've got minus 2 sine squared theta from the minus 2 here. I've got the 3 sine theta there, and this is a 2 take away 3, so that's a minus 1. So yeah, I'd rather it was on the other side. So I'd rather actually it was 2 sine squared theta plus 3 sine theta. Minus 3 sine theta plus 1. Lots of cos 2 theta equals 0. So I just put it all on the other side and changed its sign overall. So look, it's tough, and I recognize that, and it's sad because you can't then go on and get many questions, get many parts of the next bit if you can't do it. Continue. This is the one bit you could do. Sine theta equals 0. So sine theta equals 0. Sorry, cos theta equals 0. So that would be at 90. I just think we're going to get it in the right range as well. Yeah, 90 to 70, and the next circle round would be 450. Add 360 to that. We need to go further as well, don't we? So that would be 810 and 990. So if I divide all of those by 2, that one's too small, that one's too small, that one's too small, that one's too small, so it's that one there. So I've got 405, and what's that? 495. I think I've got 2 answers there. Now the other bit is solving this quadratic. So that quadratic gives me 2 sine theta. They're both going to be negative, aren't we? You tap that into your calculator and get the 2 answers for this. So it's giving me sine theta equals 1 or sine theta equals a half. Inverse sine of those, and you can find your answers from there. So this one gives 450, which actually they said they don't want. In the real test, you lost a mark for cancelling out that one. And this one here gives me 390 and 510. There's our answers there.